Hi-ho, my friends. Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way. And I'm excited because today we're going to do an unboxing of the Aicok Slow Juicer, model number AMR 521. This is a model that the Medical Medium used to recommend before his Omega juicer came out, the 900. So let's take a look. Healthy recipes book. Maybe some warranty or instruction information. Okay, here's the base. Here's the motor and the juicer base. Here are the cups. So that's the pulp catching cup. That's the juice catching cup. And we have the plunger. That would go on there. Let's take this apart and see what's in here. So that's the cap. That's the screen. Let's move this a little bit. Here's the auger and the chute. So that's it. We got the base plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. That looks pretty easy to clean. I'll do another video and we'll see how this juicer works and how well it extracts juice out of celery. Can't wait to do that. So that's the Aicok juicer. Pretty easy to assemble. The screen, and then that goes there. This goes on top. This locks into place there. To release that, you press the button on this side, rotate it out, pull it out. That seems to work okay. That's about a 16-ounce container for juice. So that'll do about half of what I normally do. And this would be the pulp catcher out front. And there's the plunger to push produce down into the auger to juice it. So that's the Aicok Slow Juicer, made in China. And I'll do another video to see how this thing works. Thanks for watching The Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the powerful medical scripture brought to us by Anthony William, the Medical Medium. I'm healing, and so can you.